Hi guys, welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we're going to be looking at ICP as the focus coin for this week. Before we start, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of when we post future content. Now before we look at ICP, actually, it's been quite some week in crypto, so let's look at Bitcoin and where we are currently. Now, obviously, it's been a huge sell-off, and people giving various reasons for that. But it's important to remember that Bitcoin is strong. It's not going away. It's here to stay. It's becoming more and more accepted now. And for that reason, we are now following the global markets more and more. And across stock markets around the world, there's been a huge sell-off this week. We only have to look at the S&P here, and we can see a huge sell-off. And when we look at the picture of the market as a whole, it's pretty much red everywhere. And the reason for this is, guys, we have to realise that throughout COVID, which is sort of coming to an end a bit more now, the whole economy's been on life support. There's been money pumped in left, right, and centre, and of course, there comes a time where that comes to an end, and monies need to get money back. To pay loans, and of course then the governments are going to increase rates, and news of rate increases is not good news for the economy, so everything goes down, and that's pulled Bitcoin with it this week. So as we are currently trading in the mid 35,000 area, it's no surprise really if we do test the 30,000 support again. After we fell through the 37,000 area, there's not really too much support between there and 30,000. We've got an area at 34,000, which we have seen a bounce from this morning. But if that doesn't hold, then I do expect we perhaps do test the 30,000 area before a move up. But we have to keep calm and realise that there's a lot of people join crypto and start investing at all-time highs. They see it trending on social media and decide to jump in. But guys, we're at a time where this area is where we're going to make potentially life-changing money, investments which are going to have huge gains. Just like, people that was buying here and selling here, this is where the real money was made. And that's the way it always works in investing. So in a way, it's exciting because we've got great opportunities ahead of us to make big money. Looking at the RSI here, we're actually the most oversold since the COVID crash in March 2020. So yeah, a big week in crypto this week. But onto the focus coin for the week, which is ICP. And this one is, well, there's not too much to talk about really. It was new to Binance here in May 2021, which was pretty much exactly the same day as when the crash came. And so it came at $2,800 and has been in a downtrend ever since, dropping within a month and a half. It hit $20. So massive sell-off. And apart from an uptrend here, we've been in a downtrend now since September. And to be honest, right now I can't see any signs of reversal. Throughout the end of December, sort of Christmas and New Year period, it was actually one of the stronger performing coins, and Bitcoin was trending down during this time, whereas ICP was trending up. And we actually, in our premium group, we gave this as a future signal, and it was one of our most profitable trades in December. But since then, there has been a huge sell-off as we rejected again this upper trend line for the third time. The lower trend line, the support here is very strong, but that's not necessarily good news because as we bounce down, there is no other support, and this is still going to take us down $15 likely, perhaps even into the single figure area, depending on the rest of the market. So yeah, unfortunately, guys, not particularly good news for ICP. don't see too many signs of reversal at this stage. So thanks for watching the video this week, guys. As I said, keep calm in the markets. Good times are ahead of us. Let us know in the comments as well what you would like us to take a look at for next week. And until then, trade safe.